agrevive.com, reviving the world through agriculture. Hello and welcome. This is Neil. Thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to talk to you about where to buy bulk grains. And at this moment I know of just over 1,450 grain storage silos throughout the United States. And what I've done is I've mapped them, and I also am going to show you how many of them are in each state. But in order to save time, I'm only going to show you the ones that have 20 or more grain silos. Otherwise the video will just be way too long. So in the South, Florida has 20 grain storage silos. Mississippi has 23. Louisiana has 33. Arkansas has 47. Texas has 161. Oklahoma has 39. Tennessee has 29. And Kentucky has 20. In the Midwest, Ohio has 69. Indiana has 110. Illinois has 237 grain storage silos. Minnesota has 55, North Dakota 36, South Dakota 73, Nebraska 69, Kansas 63, Iowa 39, and Missouri 48. Now, if you look in the West, you'll find that Montana has 34, Indiana 21, Colorado 29, and California has 27 grain storage silos. Now, are you in need of large-scale grain production, bulk or wholesale grains for your mill, silo, or storehouse for trade or resale? If the answer is yes, then I can help you. What I need you to do is go to agrivive.com, like you can see on the bottom of this page, and go to the Contact Neil page and contact me from there, and I will see you on the website. agrivive.com, reviving the world through agriculture.